We go inside a judge's controversial ruling. We first brought you the story of a 15-year-old accused of having his fingerprints on 22 stolen cars. Our AJ Bypor brings you a deeper look at how the judge reached her decision.
There is no doubt that they are disturbing and they are alarming.
Juvenile court judge Gwendolyn Connolly describes the charges against the 15-year-old defendant in her court March 31st. We're not identifying him because the case remains in juvenile court.
He has never benefited from the full range of services of the juvenile system.
In her 45-minute explanation for not waiving the teen into adult court, Connolly says the teen has yet to see every stop on the juvenile justice journey.
He has not been in either placements of MCAP or Lincoln Hills.
Connolly notes the repeat offenses, including one arrest in a stolen car while allegedly wearing a GPS bracelet from a previous arrest, saying these are signs of serious immaturity.
He is inclined to act out on feelings with minimal provocation. He has poor control over his impulses.
The prosecutors say the teen has repeatedly run away from treatment in group home settings, returning to crime. Their star witness, an MPD youth gangs detective, says the immaturity is what worries him most.
That's a status symbol for them to get into a police chase and then get out of it.
What is the best way to treat the kid and also protect the public?
Marquette Law professor and former state Supreme Court Justice Janine Geske.
Immaturity is something that certainly a judge will give a lot of weight to in terms of, do we have enough time in the juvenile system to really work with this kid?
She adds it's a tough balance because there has to be accountability, especially for repeat offenses.
You have to have a judge that's going to apply consequences and a system that's going to apply consequences to those things.
So with the teen staying in the juvenile system, the question now is where he will be sent. That'll be decided toward the end of this month. The teen's lawyer tells me the most likely options are MCAP or Lincoln Hills, both involving a period of secure detention. So police and prosecutors, meanwhile, still think that he should be under supervision, whether that's in or out of custody, past the age of 18 when he graduates beyond the juvenile system.
And to be clear, he is in custody tonight as we speak.
Yes, he is. Right now, he is in custody and will remain so until that hearing later this month.
A story generating a lot of discussion, AJ. Thank you. Next at 10, it was the plot twist one local filmmaker